So I have reestablished the primary bevel on this plane blade. The Stanley number 4 that came in completely rusted. Um, so I've got a nice bevel, but the problem is the pitting on the back of the blade. So I have used the David Charlesworth ruler technique, and I have taken this to a nice smooth front surface, but can you see all the pitting? So once again, here's a blade that I do not know can be saved. So this leads me to a question. A preponderance. Should we, or in the past, did they take their double irons apart, oil them, and store them separately? Or did everybody always just leave them together? I'm thinking everyone always left them together, but when a tool is in daily use, it doesn't rust. Unless, of course, you're planing green oak. So this only becomes an issue when someone decides to put the plane away with it together improperly. First off, it was set back and in a damp place. So let me know your thoughts. Do you think it would be a good idea, if we're not going to use a plane for more than a month, 2 months, a year, to take them apart, oil them, possibly even wrap them in that corrosion inhibiting paper, and then put them away? Be interested to see what you have to say. Walter out.